Concrete showed up midday, so it was already cooking. They got to fill in the holes right away for the sturdy wall brackets. We'll just take a few minutes and show you what all they got done today. So once they ran out of concrete, they got right to setting brackets. Made sure, everything was lined up right. Everything was square. You only get one shot at setting these brackets. Then they're, stuck in concrete. So they took their time, made sure it was done right. Once all the brackets were done, that was basically it for the day. So called it an early day, and they'll be back with lumber. So it's super hot today, so I'm hanging out over here in the shade right now. So this is day 2 of the pole building. Concrete showed up today. They ran a little short on concrete, so they weren't able to complete everything, but I believe it's, basically pretty much 3/4 of it is complete. So the front and the back wall they're able to get done. The side wall they're able to complete. They have 4 holes on this side, and then there's 4 holes for the porch that still need concrete. So I'm not sure if they're gonna have another truck come back. I kind of doubt it for that much. They might bag pour, which would be a lot, or maybe they can go pick up a trailer. So not really sure which they're gonna do. But yeah, so like I said, super hot today. So it was a race for them to get the brackets put in once the concrete went in. But they got those all set, obviously minus the ones that didn't have concrete in. But yeah, it's good to see progress being made. Yeah, we can take a look and see what these brackets look like, just to kind of give you an idea. So yeah, they just set them, and then right here level with the concrete. post will go in here. This bracket will hold it, and you know, get bolted through then as well. So yeah, super excited that this stuff's getting done. I have a little bit of work that I want to do in here before they show back up. Concrete truck kind of went over the edge of that new section of drive I put in over here. Kind of tore it up a good bit. So when I sloped that down, you know, I didn't use something that was real, you could compact really well. You know, this is all topsoil, so you can see, I mean, really, this whole way up through here, kind of got it all rutted up. So I want to get that fixed. You know, it's not real important, but I want to kind of keep up with it. And then inside here, there was also a couple little low spots that were wet, and whenever he got his truck in here and started, you know, backing around, kind of has this messed up a little bit, so it's not as level. Again, not really a big deal, but I'll probably get the Kubota in here and just smooth everything out. That way it's you know, nice for when they return. So yeah, I think that is it for day 2. I could be wrong, they might show back up, but I didn't get a chance to talk to them before they rolled out, so really not 100% sure. But anyways, yeah, Monday they'll be back in here. You know, start to actually, hopefully we'll start to see some structure going up, you know, and it'll start to take form. But yeah, just keep watching, and we'll keep, you know, showing you the process of the barn build. If you can, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.